What's up guys, it's your boy Briscoe. Welcome back to another video. So in this week's video it's going to be a Shein haul. Remember I did a new Shein haul, bought a bunch of stuff, none of them fit, none of them really do anything for me. So this time I said, you know what, I'm going to buy just a few stuff, check them out first and then see what happens after. Most of the stuff I got is like swimming trunks and a few tees because I'm going on vacation in a few weeks, so just got a few stuff to see where it goes. So in the lot I have shirt, trunks, hats. This is actually one of the hats that I have on right now. The first item we have is this flannel shirt. I have been looking for a flannel shirt like this for a while now, different colors. The feel of it is not like the other flannel shirt where it feels cheap or anything like that. It actually feels really good. In a size small, I should have upped it one size to a medium because I know this is gonna fit a bit snug, but yeah. I think I should mention as well that the hat is from Shein. This fit pretty good. This fit, as I mentioned, it fit a bit snug, but it's alright. In regards to the feel of it, it don't feel itchy, it don't feel anything like that. It just feels really good, and it fits with the oversized shirt, so you kind of over it, and yeah, back. As I mentioned, the hat is from Shein as well, so it's like a knockoff lids. It's like a knockoff lids, but the fit of it is alright. Can't complain about it. Yeah, so this is the first item. Not mad at it at all. Second item. So as I mentioned, I ordered stuff for vacation. So you're gonna see swimming shorts or swimming trunks, and then a few tees, jewelry, and hat. So yeah. So the next item is the other hat from Shein. It fit just like the black one. This is just the cream one, or the cream version of it. Alright, so this, as I mentioned, cream, I like this one. I like the hat in so far, and the flannel. The flannel, I'm going to give the flannel a 9 out of 10. The reason I don't give it a 10 out of 10 is because the size, I should have upped it one size a little bit, but yeah, it fit good enough. Probably gonna get another one now. Alright, so continue with the headwear. As I mentioned, this stuff for vacation because I'm going to the cold and then the tropics, as you'd say. So we need some to keep my head warm. So I bought two beanies, one black, one grey. These feel really good. Can't complain about them either. Not like the new Chic where everything did kind of feel off and the material feel cheap. Everything so far feel good. Beanie, I give it a 7 out of 10. For fit, yeah, I give it a 7 out of 10. But I think I like the black one more than the grey one. Alright, so for the next item is this t-shirt, size small as well. Should have gotten a medium. Fit good. The material really good as well. So it's a tie and dye, plain graphic tee. This is not bad. I only wish I went a size up. Asian online stores, they always need to go a size up, I guess, because for me this is a small. I normally wear small and I'm snug, but right now I feel like a medium would fit me a bit better. But for material wise, real good. It don't feel cheap and silky like other like t-shirts. So 7 out of 10. Real basic, real good tee. Alright guys, so this is the Alright, so we'll move on to the shorts now. So these, when it comes to like trunks, swimming trunks and shorts swimming, two things I look at, well, three things. String, mesh inside or the lining inside, and pockets. So with this one I have three pockets. So fit, I hope, and fit as well. I should have mentioned fit. So the fit need to be over my knee, not on my knee or below my knee. It's swimming trunks, guys, or the style of shorts we are wearing now. If you're gonna wear, well, I need to do a video about styling the shorts, but otherwise from that, try this on. Alright, so these are the shorts. Fit nice. It don't feel cheap. You know, like when you put on some swimming trunks and you just feel cheapness with it. It don't feel cheap at all. It have material with it, plus the lining as well. So as I mentioned, I have the string, pocket 1, 2, and a back pocket as well. So that's up top. Alright, so these are shorts number 2. Alright. For this one, giving it 9 out of 10. To fit, overall 9 out of 10. Fit, the only thing you kind of did off with me, but the only fault I had with it was the color. Probably too much color, but now that I have it in front of me, I like it. So 9 out of 10. These now, it don't feel like the other one. Them one feel cheap. The material itself feel really cheap. As for the lining, it does have a lining on the inside. It does have a string. Pocket. Here you get a pocket. Don't have a back pocket, but fit wise, yeah, it's not bad. It's not the under my knee. If I need to get it short, I just pull it up. But the material, not feeling the material at all. Alright, so these are the other swimming trunks. I like these. These don't feel like the previous one. It feels in between the first one and the previous one, but come with the pocket, come with the pocket, back pocket, no back pocket, string, yeah, and the mesh, it does have the mesh inside, so that's a plus. Yeah, simple black and red and simple mixed color shorts, not too fancy. I like these. So guys, with the clothes I'm going to leave a description of everything below so you can check out the links and get the stuff. Probably going to use have a discount code as well, because I see where you can get the, what do you call that thing where for this one, I'm going to give it a 8 out of 10. A little bit better than the previous one where I give a 7, but this one 8 out of 10. Alright, so shorts number 4. These were the ones I was looking forward to the most, and because of the color, but right now it is the biggest disappointment. Right now, it is the biggest disappointment out of the lot because it don't fit good. It feel rush. It don't have the lining in it. It does have pocket, and it kind of long as well, because the other ones them fit like above the knee. This one the underneath, like even below the knee. But the fit, the waist, I don't know, bro. Proportions just off. This is a no for me. This is a no. This is like 2 out of 10. I'm not gonna lie. And these made it like the most, the color and everything, but they just rush it. Yeah. This is a no. 2 out of 10 for this. Next on the list is the jewelry. Not too happy with the jewelry, to be honest, especially the rings. So I bought a pack of ring. Well, honestly, I can't complain because the only reason I even got the rings is because I had like $3-4 left. So you know, decided to get a few rings. This one, This one has, it looked damaged. It looked like the metal part of it come off. So now the focus. I try to get it focused, but anyways, probably I like this one because it fit right on the pinky. This one is not bad. Honestly, I can't complain because them cheap. So because them cheap, I can't expect them to be like really good or really fancy. So for the price point, I think I could spend like $3 on the rings, and you get the whole pack. So I'm gonna leave the link for these as well if you want to check them out, sure, but I don't recommend it getting this one because it look like them damaged. So also chains are from Shein, so these were $1 each. So buy one or two, wear them, probably wash out, but honestly they don't look bad. This one, the first one is a layer one, so these come together. Try to get it for us. But these come together, and then you have the single piece like this one. So what I probably do is I'm gonna put on this ring on the chain, the shortest chain, and see how it looks with that. But yeah, as for jewelry, I only like 2 out of the 5, 2 out of this, yeah, 2 out of the 5. So I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10 for jewelry. No, lie, 4 out of 10 because of the material. One last thing, the jewelry, also pretty cheap, $1. Some small hoop, like gold hoop earrings, so I can wear these as well. I don't know if these are focus, guys, but if it not focus, it really small gold, fake gold, as you can tell. Probably gonna get like 1 or 2 wear out of it, but otherwise from that, I'm alright. Yeah. I think that's it. Yeah, so that's it for the Shein haul. The Shine. Why I keep crying? Alright, so guys, so that's it for the Shine haul. I definitely going to do more Shine haul because I like the clothes, I like the fit of them and everything. So far, the favorite out of everything is the hat and the flannel. So you're gonna see me in this a lot. I'll drop in after this haul, so you can look out for that. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, guys. I can't tell you or express how subscribing is important. Shout out to you guys who watched the previous haul. I think we're at 11,000 views now, so I really appreciate that. And yeah, so stick around, check out the next videos. Thank you so much for watching. See y'all in the next one. It's your boy Briscoe, Life of Briscoe LOB.